Which of the following boxes can replace the question mark to complete the pattern? So we have a 9-figure matrix here, and we have to find a relationship between them to solve for our missing figure. So I'm going to start off with the columns and then move on to the rows. So looking at the third column, I can see that they all have circles inside. Some shaded, some not. So we can write circle next to it. In the middle column, I can see they're all triangles. And in the first column, the one which has our missing figure, they're all diamonds. So, given this information, we can now look at our answers at the bottom and remove any option which isn't entirely diamonds. So, D has a circle, so we can remove that. And E has a triangle, so we'll remove that. And now I'm going to move on to the rows and see if I can find patterns that way. So looking at the first row, I can see all of the figures have 3 shapes inside. Different shapes, but the same number. When I move on to the second row, I can see from the second and the third figure, they both have 4 shapes. And in the third row, they've all got 5 shapes. So now I'm going to look at my options again. And I can take out option C because it's only got 3 shapes when we're looking for 4. So now we're left with A and B. A has 3 white shapes and 1 black, and B has 2 black and 2 white. And when I look at the second row with the 4 shapes, I can see they have 3 white shapes and 1 black, and 3 white shapes and 1 black. So, given my options of A and B, A has 3 white shapes and 1 black, so as is following, I can assume that A is our final answer.